Back in my younger years, we had the toaster oven, and it could basically do toast and maybe a little bit of pizza, and that was about it. And then it sort of grew up and became a countertop oven where you could cook a casserole, a larger pizza. You can do a few more things with it. But now we have come to an entirely different level, which was once the toaster oven, then became a countertop oven. Now we have the Brava. The Brava is a brand new oven that can do more than even your expensive wall oven, range, or most every other kind of oven on the market. This oven can cook food at different temperatures, all on one shelf, all on one sheet pan. So you can sear a steak, you can bake a potato, and you can cook a delicate vegetable all on one sheet, 3 different temperatures, and your meal is ready all at once. So join me. We're going to take our first look at the Brava oven and check out what this oven has to offer. So before we do anything, I just want to take this opportunity to thank Brava for collaborating with us on this video. I saw this oven and I was absolutely amazed at everything that it could do. And I have been so anxious to try this baby out. And I'm so glad that that day is here. So guys, we have a Brava oven in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. And let me tell you a few things about this oven. If I were to list everything that this oven does, we would be standing here for over an hour. The fundamental way that this oven works is through infrared light. It has several infrared light bulbs in this oven that allow you to cook on many different temperatures on one pan, like I said. So it takes our old little countertop oven and it transforms it into basically a cooking system. And it brings not only the traditional baking, broiling, searing, roasting, all those things in a traditional oven, but it also brings in technology. It has a recipe library. It works with an app. It works with your computer. It constantly gets updated with all the recipes. And not only that, the inside of this oven has a camera where you can watch the progress of your food. So you can put your meat, your side dish, and a vegetable all on one pan, cook it on 3 different temperatures, and bring it out and have dinner ready all at once. One thing that I thought was really great is if you have people that need their dinner at home and you're going to be late, add those things to the pan, cover it, put it in the refrigerator with the instructions on how to do it in the Brava. They can slide that in and they can have an entire full meal right at their fingertips. They don't even need to know how to cook, right? Everybody has those people in their family that they have to feed. So I want to thank Brava for sending this oven. If you want to take a look at it, I put links down in the description to their website. This oven does so much. It's a thing that you can explore. You really can play with this oven and really develop recipes and have a great time with it and take technology along to help you. So let me get this thing out of the box. It's really big so I can get up here on the counter and we can start our first look. Okay, so one thing I noticed when we took this out of the box, the packaging on this is amazing. This oven is like world class all the way. So when you first open the box, you're going to see this. It says Home Cooking Simplify. We believe everyone deserves healthy and delicious cooking. You need 4 inches of clearance around the oven. You need to plug it directly into an outlet and not into an extension cord. And then you need to download the Brava app to get the full experience. So it includes this box, which has the tray, the temperature sensor, and the metal tray and the glass tray. So we'll get to that. So here's our oven. This thing is cool. Dun, 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 the grand unveiling, right? You guys want to see it?
Sure.
Nope. You want to see it? Nope. Yay! Wow, this thing is amazing. Number one, I love the looks of it. It's nice and sleek. It matches your black and stainless steel appliances. Can fit right into your kitchen. So this is obviously our front door. Very sleek. The menu pops up here. It's like a digital menu. That's beautiful. Okay, so what's in this box is the trays and the temperature sensor. So this is our temperature sensor. This thing is really cool. What's amazing about this, and I wish a lot of other temperature thermometers had what this one has, this has different levels. So it goes up to 1 inch and then it's in half-inch increments. So it will tell you how thick your meat is. That's one of the problems when you're cooking meat. It's hard to tell how thick it is to know how long you're going to cook it. This has it right built into the thermometer. So it has this little, this is how it attaches in the oven. So you just take off this little rubber thing, and this thing attaches to the side of the oven. I'll show you how it does that. So the Brava has two different trays. This is sort of like the gentle tray. So it's made out of a thick glass, but you're going to cook gentle foods in it. Vegetables, fish, that kind of stuff you're going to do on the glass tray. This is your metal tray. It also comes with some cooking guides here. On their website, they have tons of videos, manuals, everything you need to learn to use the Brava. This is your metal tray, and this is a silicone-based non-stick tray. And so just like the glass tray, you'll see on here, it says 1, 2, and 3, and those are your cooking zones. So your cooking zones go across this way. So you'll put a piece of protein here, your potatoes here, and a vegetable here. They all go into the oven. They all cook at 3 different temperatures, and they're all done at one time. That is amazing to me. It's also the case on the glass tray. It has the same zones. Okay, so how the Brava works is it has 6 sets of bulbs in here, and 2 sets go to each zone. And when I say temperature, I really mean intensity, right? Because those bulbs go to these zones. So it depends on what is there, will dictate how hot, how intense that heat is going to be. So it'll cook that food properly. So these are the bulbs in here. There's 3 of these here, and there's 3 of these on top that create your different cooking zones. Okay, so the Brava has 2 levels for your pan, and the recipe will tell you what level it needs to go on. You put zone 3 towards the back, zone 1 towards the front, just like that. Level 1, that's level 2. There are recipes where you can do 2 tray recipes where you can put 2 things in here at once, and it'll go like that. So we're going to plug the thermometer in here, and then there's a little spot where this goes. So there's a little channel that it goes into back there, and then it's going to go into your meat. So you want this tucked away because you don't want to get damaged by the bulbs, and you also want to stick your probe all the way into the meat, all the way to here, so you get that accurate reading. So you're going to stick this in your meat this way. You're not going to put it in on an angle or anything like that. You just want it straight in through the side of your steak or chicken or whatever that is. So we're going to plug it in and look at the menu real quick. One of the things that's really neat on the Brava is this right here. This is a silicone pad on the top of here. So when you're done cooking, you can just take your food out and put it on here because this is silicone and it can handle the heat. So that's pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in and we're going to see the Brava light up. Brava, right? Okay, so we need to dial this into our Wi-Fi. So we're going to go ahead and hit start. And this is the terms of service you're going to see. You can read through that and then you hit accept. So you can see the wireless networks. So we're going to go ahead and put in the password. I'm going to press done. Connect. And it's connected. Now we're going to hit next. And it's going to do a software upload. So they installed the software at the factory, but Brava updates this all the time, constantly adding new recipes, all that fun stuff. So it's just going to take a minute for it to download everything so the software that's in your individual machine is current. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go onto the App Store. I have an Android, so we're going to go to the Google Play Store. I'm going to download the Brava app, and we will be able to control this oven with the phone as well as look at the camera. So let me go do that, and this is going to download, and we'll be back. So I downloaded their beautiful app onto my phone. Look at that strawberry upside down cake. And I'm going to go ahead and enter my password in here. Okay, so I signed in. So what you'll see on here is what you'll see on the app. You can search for recipes. Update my time zone. You can search for recipes using the search function. Let's just type in chicken. And we got 118 recipes for chicken. Ooh, orange chicken. Chicken Parmesan. Huh. Wow. So I like orange chicken. So it's going to tell you where to add the chicken, what tray to add it to, and add chicken to the metal tray. It says chicken, put it on zone 2. Right? It'll guide you through the recipe. It also has your favorites, recipes that you've put a heart on, your recent recipes. You can also create custom cooks where you can create your own recipe in here. You can air fry, dehydrate, keep warm, all kinds of fun. So even slow cook. They have a little cast iron, I think it's an enameled cast iron pan that you can use in this. Sweet. So there are some accessories that you can get to go with this oven to make your cooking even more fun, right? I think this is the egg tray. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the Brava egg pan. And you can put eggs in here and make nice, I like my eggs cooked medium. To put on an English muffin, sweet. So you put your eggs in there, you Brava cook them. They have a recipe for breakfast sandwiches. Just crack your eggs in here and make them in a flash, right? So this is the egg tray. We're going to try to make some breakfast sandwiches in this. How about that, Eric?
Sure.
Sounds great. So I'm very excited. We have a Brava smart oven in the Amy Learns Cook kitchen. We are going to have a lot of fun with this. This is just our first look of this oven. We are going to be doing a recipe in here. We're going to pick one of these recipes and we're going to cook it in the Brava oven. I just want to thank Brava again, once again for sending this and allowing us to try out this oven. I already see. If you want a top of the line oven for your kitchen, this is it, right? Join us by hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell too so you get notified of our uploads. You can join us on our journey to learn all there is about the Brava Oven. Also, my other social media links are in the description. Once again, thank you for joining me. Thank you, Brava. And let's see what this oven can do.